This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert drop-down menus in Google Docs. Here I have a trip planning tracker, and let's suppose I want to enter drop boxes in these columns of this table so that the people with whom I'm sharing it with can just select something from the drop-down menu instead of typing information. This is what you do. So for status, you're going to click on that cell, and then you want to go here to the top of the screen where it says Insert, and then you want to select Dropdown. From here, you will have the option of creating a new set of drop-down options or using existing options here. So let's look at the preset drop-downs. For project status, it gives you these four options: not started, blocked, in progress, or completed. And then for review status, it gives you something similar: not started, in progress, under review, and approved. So if you want to use this preset option, press project status, and now it's there. So from there, you can just have the people using the document click and select their options. But let's suppose you want to make this from scratch. Again, you go to Insert, then you select Dropdown, then select New Dropdown. From here, you will be able to configure your options. You can give the template you're using a name, and then in these boxes, you're going to insert the text that you want to appear. So for status, I'm going to put not started, in progress, and done. And you can make this fancy and put emojis in there as well, but I'm just going to stick with the basics. And then you will want to assign each option a color. So for not started, I'm going to select red, and you can either use the default colors or you can use the custom color option if you want to get specific. You can also change the color of the text by clicking text and using those same options. So I'm going to stick with changing the background, and I'm going to make not started this dull red. I'm going to make in progress this pale orange, and then I'm going to make done this dull green. And then if you don't need this fourth option, all you need to do is select the trash can and it's gone. Or if you need to have more than what's available, when you open up the drop-down options, select new options, and you can add as many options as you want. When you're done configuring that, you want to select save, and now that drop down box is in my document. Now that this is here, you can treat it like text. If you want the font to be bigger, you just need to highlight that cell and then change the font to your liking. And you can also make it bold, you can make it italicized, etc. And then if you want this also to appear in the other rows, highlight the cell and then copy and paste it. And now that status is in all of the rows. You can repeat this process with who, priority, and then leave notes as a free typing area. And once you're done with one column, you can follow the same process for the other columns in this document, and then share it with whom you want to share it. And then they will just need to select the status of whatever they're in charge of doing. And that's how you add drop-down menus to Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.